Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of TypeScript. In today's video, we are exploring the powerful methods and iteration available for array in TypeScript. We will look at a practical example to demonstrate how to use these methods effectively. Let's get started. So I open my code editor and here you can see I already create index.ts file. In this file, first I create our array. So here I write a let keyword, then I write a numbers, and we assign a type to this number is array, and then we assign a value to this array 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, sorry, here I use a column. After that, I apply our different array method on this array. So first is a push method. Push method allow us to add element at the end. So here I write numbers dot push, and here I pass a value which we can add at the end of the element. So here I write a 6, then I write console dot log, and then here I pass a string value. So here I write push method, and here I write plus, and here I write this number variable. Save the file. So next we apply a pop method. Pop method is allow us to remove last letter of the array. Okay, last element of the array. So here I write numbers, then I write a pop, and here I write this one. Okay, after that I use a console.log, and here I write pop method, and then I concatenate this array. In next step, I use a shift method of an array. So here I write a numbers dot shift. The shift method remove the first element of the array. So here you can see 1, it remove this one element. Okay, so here I use this shift method, and here I use a console.log, and here I pass a string shift method, and after that concatenate this number. In next step, I use a onShift method. So here I write a on numbers dot onShift, and here I pass a value. The onShift method add an element at the beginning of the array. Okay, so here I write a 1, and then here I write console.log, and here I use a onShift method, and after that I concatenate this array. Okay, next I use a supplies method. So here I write a numbers dot supplies. This method allow us to remove or add a distinct element. Okay, so here I write a 2 and 1, then here I write 10. This means we remove element on a 2 index and replace with the 10. Okay, so here I write a console.log, and here I write supplies method, and then concatenate this number. Now our all method will be completed. Now I open my terminal. So here I press Ctrl backtick. Then here I use tsc index.ts file, because I convert this index.ts file into index.js file. Now our JS file ready. Now we run this file. So here I write node index.js, press enter, and here you can see in a terminal our push method and a 6 at this element. Okay, at the end. So here you can see I use a push method to add one element at the end of the array. So here you can see our original array is a 5 element, but when I use a push method, it increased to 6. Okay, when we use a pop method, it again remove this 6 element. After that, when we use a shift method, it remove 1 element. Okay, you can see here it start from 2 to 5, and 1 element will be removed. Again, I use onShift method, and it add up 1 element at the beginning of the array. In next step, you can see here I use supplies method, and I say remove the element from index 2 and add this one 10. Here you can see in supplies method, here I say remove the element from 2 index and add this at that at this place. Okay, so next I take a look at array iteration. So I remove this line of code, and here I use a for loop. So for that I write a for keyword, then I create a variable. So I is equal to 0. Then I check the condition if I smaller than numbers dot length of the array. Then again I use a I++, then increment the loop. Okay, after that here I write console dot log, and here I write this numbers, then I pass I. Save the file, and again I open a terminal. Here I convert this index.ts file into index.js file. Now I run this file. So here I write node index.js, press enter, and you can see it run 5 times because I have 5 element in our array. Okay, if I increase the element, so here I write 6, save the file, and again convert index.ts file into JS, and again run the index.js file, and you can see this time it print 6 value because in our array we have a 6 value. Okay, so I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more TypeScript tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.